Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Expedition without a traditional key. First, it's important to understand your vehicle's security system. Begin by locating the keyless entry keypad, usually found on the driver's side door. You'll need to input your unique 5-digit factory code to gain access and unlock the doors. This is the initial step to getting into your vehicle. After successfully entering your Expedition, the next step involves your key fob. Even without a working battery, your fob has a transponder. Locate the backup key slot, often in the center console or steering column. Place your key fob firmly into this slot. Then, simply press the brake pedal and push the engine start button to power up your vehicle. If the backup slot method doesn't work, first check your key fob battery. A completely dead one might still cause issues. Another convenient option is using the Ford Pass app on your smartphone, which allows for remote starting. For future peace of mind, always ensure you have a spare key fob stored safely. These alternatives can be lifesavers in unexpected situations. It's crucial to prioritize safety. Never attempt to hotwire your vehicle, as this is extremely dangerous and can cause significant damage. Always refer to your Ford Expedition's owner's manual for model-specific instructions and additional safety information. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.